everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So our today's video is on how to teach number names to your child in very interesting way or in a playway method. Whenever you introduce any new concept to your child, always believe to start with the playway method rather than going straight forward to notebook worksheets or activity sheets. Always let the child enjoy the concept thoroughly in a playway method. By this, he will take interest, and whenever you go for worksheets, child will do amazingly good. So before starting the video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications of our upcoming videos. This video is in both languages, Hindi and English. ये वीडियो दोनों languages में है, हिंदी और English. If you want to see in English, keep watching this video. और अगर आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. जस्ट गो देयर, उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और आप ये वीडियो हिंदी में देख पाएंगे. So now let's get started with our activity. So for this activity, I have used some cards as you could see here. These cards are made of simple cardboard, and here I have written, as you could see, number 1. Yes, and after that on the other side I have given the 4 options to the child. So after preparing this, I have secured it with the transparent tape so that child can use it multiple times without spoiling. Now what child is supposed to do is he has to recognize the number first, which is 1, and then he have to look at the options given and have to identify correct number name spelling here. So here O-N-E 1. So child will take one page here and clip it here like this. Yeah. After that, if I take next number 2, right, so child will first recognize the number and then look at the number name spelling. So if I look here TWO2, so child will take another page and will clip it here like this. Same goes with number 3. Child will recognize the number first and then will clip the page at the correct number name spelling like this. Yeah. You can make as many as cards you want. Initially, I have made cards for my kids from number 1 to 9 to let them understand that what number name spelling actually are and how they can learn it in very interesting or in a very playway method. My next upcoming videos are also about number names, so stay tuned with us for such more interesting ways of learning. And when I had given these things or these cards to Amish to learn number names earlier, he did it very well. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you try this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.